Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. Today we're going to talk about the Ettore Super Channel. It's made of top grade, aircraft grade aluminum. Accepts all standard rubber, so you can go with your favorite rubber that you prefer in the industry. It comes in several different sizes. It comes in your 18-inch, your 24, 30, and 36 inch. The rigidity profile reduces flex dramatically. So if you're using a tall pole and you're cleaning high windows, I prefer this because it doesn't flex on me and the rubber stays flat on the glass, where we're not getting a bowing in some of the softer channels out there. So get you one today, Ettore Super Channel. J.Racenstein, have a great day.